Welcome to First Look, brought to you by DigiKey and Amphenol ICC. The industrial IoT has revolutionized the way factories are managed and is driving demand for greater sensing and connectivity into all types of equipment. The data that's gathered allows manufacturers to increase efficiency and identify potential problems before they impact production. Connecting all of these devices in the harsh environment of a factory floor requires something more robust than an RJ45 connector. Amphenol ICC's iX Industrial series of connectors are designed for the next generation high-speed, ruggedized industrial Ethernet and other common industrial protocols. The iX Industrial Series is a 10-position IEC 61076-3-124 compliant connector that supports data rates up to 10 gigabits per second in a 75% smaller package than a typical RJ45 connector, helping designers fit needed connectivity into the limited space available for I/O ports. They also have a 10mm connector pitch, allowing for greater port density in ganged applications. Despite their small size, the iX Industrial Series is designed to be reliable in harsh environments. They have 360-degree shielding through the port and a 2-point metal latch to maintain connectivity under heavy shock and vibration. The connectors meet IP20 requirements for Mice 1 environments, with several IP67 versions for Mice 2 and Mice 3 environments. SMT receptacles are available in right angle and vertical configurations, with heavy-duty solder tabs to secure the connector to the PCB. Plugs are available with IDC terminations for easy repair or installation in the field, or with solder terminations for high-volume assembly. All versions are available with 3 keying options for controlled mating. See you next time on First Look.